Hey Bobby, this is Daryl. I've got your 1906 Diehl fan motor here on the workbench. I've already made new bearings for it, front and rear. Um, New brush caps, brush insulators. Let's see, what else have we done? I've still got to make the oilers. Haven't done that yet. You had a couple of bad screws, Bobby. The screws that were in there were steel, and there were several with some pretty bad threads on them. So I made 4 more out of polished brass. I don't think it's going to let me focus. There it is. And I was going to see how you like these brass ones here. If you like the polished brass screws as opposed to the old steel, I can make 4 more. I was going to send your original 4 steel screws back, of course, if you wanted to use them. But I put these 4 brass ones in here, and just thought you might could use those. If you don't like them, don't worry about it. If you want 4 more on this side, I can make you 4 more. But anyway, I've got the motor all back together, and it seems to be running real smoothly. I've got it hooked up to a variac here, going into a bridge rectifier. We've got 30 volts dialed in on the meter there. And I'm going to flip the switch. And it starts up and runs real quiet and smooth. And I've got the RPM here. It's running right about 1,000 RPMs. Let it get settled in here. It's, let's see. Yeah, that's what I was getting a while ago, about 987. Why is that thing fluctuating so much? It's hard to hold it right on it. I can't get it stabilized now. I'm trying to look at my phone, look at the camera, and look at the thing too. So let me just see if I can hold it on here. There we go, right there. $986, $988, right along in there is where it's settled out at. So it's running good, Bobby. It's running nice and quiet, and very smooth since we put the new bearings in there. So I'll get these oil cups made for you. I just dropped a couple of drops of oil down in there now because we don't have, I hadn't made the oilers for it yet. But I'll get that done and get this on out to you as quick as I can, Bobby. Take a look at this video and let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to do about the screws. If you don't want them, that's fine. I'll hang on to them. But it's an odd thread. You can't get these are 1028 thread. You can't buy 1028 over the counter. They're either 1032 or 1024. This is an odd pitch, 1028. But I don't have a lot of time in making these. If you don't want them, I'll keep them. If you want them, I'll send them. So just let me know what you want to do about that. And hope to hear from you soon, Bobby. Take care.